Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by organizing the document itself. Don't fiddle with colors first. Set margins and page size to control spacing, then choose one heading font and one body font so text aligns visually. Once done, apply heading styles to create an outline. This gives navigation and consistent spacing automatically. Make sure to adjust line spacing and paragraph spacing after headings to avoid cramped blocks. These first steps set a predictable baseline, so subsequent design choices behave reliably and save time. You now refine typography and the page layout to guide the reader's eye. Increase heading sizes and tighten body text. This creates clear hierarchy. Once applied, modify paragraph spacing and use bold or color accents to highlight key ideas. Limit accents to one or two colors. Make use of tables or two-column layouts for side-by-side content, and add consistent indents for quotes or callouts. These choices improve scannability and keep pages tidy, so readers find important information immediately. You finish by polishing visual details and preparing the file for sharing. Inspect alignment, check image sizes, and ensure headings don't split awkwardly across pages. Once satisfied, export to PDF for consistent viewing. Use Print Preview to confirm page breaks. If something looks off, clear direct formatting and reapply your saved styles. This fixes rogue fonts or spacing quickly. A quick troubleshooting step. Duplicate the doc and remove recent edits to isolate the issue, and then reintroduce changes one section at a time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.